SolidWorks, this will be regarding the problem with Sketch tool in SolidWorks 2024. So let's take a look. I will create a new part. Let's say that within the right plane, I want to add a sketch. In this case, this will be the side of the pontoon chair. And we're going to have the image added like this. Now, the problem is regarding the sketch tool. As you can see over here, if I will move my mouse over that pink dot, I am not able to reposition that point. The problem is that even if I will put my mouse cursor over here, I have the possibility to drag the image, and the same over here. Now, if I will align the origin over here on the bottom, and if I will slowly move my mouse over that orange, pink point over here, we're going to see that actually this will be the position where that will snap. So we see it now, it's right above that vertex, but actually my mouse is somewhere over here in the bottom right corner. So I will slowly move it close to that and it just snapped. And now I have the possibility to use this as a scale reference. For example, I will position it over there, and we need to do the same over here on the arrow. So I will drag and drop it over here, and afterwards I can add that dimension, so 578 millimeters. And now I have this scale. So this is a problem within SolidWorks 2024 when you are sketch tracing pictures. You need to pay attention to this. So for the scale tool, you will need to slowly move the mouse around, and actually somewhere over here in the bottom right section of that point, it will snap there. So keep that in mind, because this is quite hard to work with. So I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. I will position a similar video over here on the left side and the subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.